Okay, so let's dive into having a look at auto-publishing highlights to social media, namely Twitter and YouTube from our Liger accounts via auto-publishing. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that you have a connection to one of those social media platforms. So the bottom left, hover over the little profile icon and click connections. You'll see here that I have two, the Liger Demo Twitter and YouTube, but more than likely you will have a blank page here in front of you. So if you just click Connect New Account in the top right and then select which network you want to connect to, Twitter or YouTube, and as you can see Facebook coming through, and then follow the on-screen prompts. So that means that once your account's connected to Liger, that means that we can publish automatically, and I'll show you how to do that now. So come across over to the left-hand side, select multimedia, come down to highlights, and in here at the moment you can see that we have no clips within this account. What I need to do is go into the settings tab, select the competition that I'm covering, and then create events that will be saved out as highlight video clips when they're logged within the LiveScore app. So you can see that there's nothing at the moment. So if I click on add event and I want to do a try, that's good. So I'll do a 20-second lead time. So that's 20 seconds before the event is logged in the LiveScore app. It will create the start of the clip, and the lag is at the end. So I'll do 15 seconds there. Pre and post roll are videos that you can upload to have as intro or outros if you're using sponsorship or your competition or a company name. So I have one in my account. It's a McDonald's advert. You can preview that by just hovering over the eye icon.
Big Mac bacon.
And that's what that is like. And I won't put a post roll on the end of it, so we'll just have an intro for it. Videos can be uploaded into the video section, and they need to be assigned to the competition that you're doing to be able to use them as a pre and post roll in highlights. So what I need to do now is set this up to auto publish. So you can see here that that option is toggled off. So if we toggle that on and then hit the gear icon, I want to send it to Twitter. Right, so auto publishing here, bang. So this is where it's going to post from, the Liger Demo account, and I'm going to put a title. I'm going to put this is a test, and I'll put August 23rd, 2022. Auto publishing. Okay, so when I'm happy with the information here, I can hit save. What you can do is you can do templating. I will do a video on that I will let everyone know about on our help center and stuff, where you can sort of have it, you can create individual stuff based on what's being logged, like who scored or what the score is and what the venue and what have you. So that will be something that will be to come. So at the moment I just want to put this is my information within the tweet, so when I'm happy hit save and then hit save again down here. So before we go any further, just to let you guys know that I am at a state where I am streaming into Liger from vMix and I'm streaming out to YouTube. So you can see here on the stream monitor that I have footage with my overlaid, funnily enough, and then streaming out to YouTube. So if you're not at that point, that's no problem. I hit a link in the description here for getting started with streaming, and there's also one about getting started with highlights here that will talk you through all these events and how to set them up. So here I have my Liger Demo account, so we'll see the clip published here when it hits. This tends to take from logging the event to it being published is between 4 and 5 minutes. So we'll watch that in action now. So right, so we have the stream monitor. That's fine. I'm going to go across to vMix and I'm going to start that footage. Open up the LiveScore app. Well, I'm going to go back to the footage itself on the stream monitor. So you can see here now the footage is playing. Now I have the option here, so this guy's going to pick the ball up and run the length of the field to score a try. So this is, imagine this is as live. So that's fine. So he's going to touch down, and I'm going to hit try. And what I'll do is I'll skip the player and I'll put that the conversion's been missed. That's fine. So you can see now this will run through an automation. We have a try in the 25th minute for the team. This will then do the lower third score ident. But all the time while this has been logged, so when I hit try there, that is the event has been logged. So Liger knows, based on what I set within the highlights section, it's going to create a clip with a 20-second pre-roll sort of lead time on top of when the event happens, so we can catch a bit of the build up. So let's go over and have a look at that in action. So now we go back to the highlight setting of our dashboard. You can see at the moment this is the event that we've just logged, a try. So you can have others if you want, but we're just for the purposes of this, we're just doing tries. So if I go to clips now, you can see that this clip is processing. So it's saying that your highlight will be ready soon. So that's good. So when you create a clip and you have a pre and a post roll on it, it will create two clips. So you will have the raw footage, which will be the try without the pre-roll on it, or the post-roll if you attach them within your settings. And it will create the clip with the pre and the post-roll on top of it. So what's going to happen is there's going to be two clips that will be populated within this section of our dashboard. And then once they've been processed, they will upload here into our social media account. So if I just go back to the clips now, shortly we should get a, there you go, so you can see the second one is just popping in. So one of those will be with the pre-roll that I set within the settings, which is in here. So you can see that one of them will be with this, and the other one will be a clean one. So you can see that these are processing now. So as I say, it takes between 4 and 5 minutes from when the event has been logged for the processing to happen, and then it be published automatically to social media. So yeah, that's where we're at. So we'll just wait for those to finish. Okay, so that is those. They've finished processing now, and you can see that we have a little pop-up in the corner there saying that they've been successfully auto-published to Twitter. So if we hover over one of these clips and hit see details, you can see that this clip is the one that was made with the pre-roll. So if I play that.
Ooh, the Big Mac bacon. Who knew? Crispy, salty bacon. And a Big Mac with lashings.
So as you can see, this has got the pre-roll on it. So here we go, we've got the highlights been published. So we can see that now this, after the pre-roll, it will run into the clip. So it looks like I hit a bit of a freeze there on that. I didn't start my stream early enough, but that's fine. So this is the event that I logged. So this guy's going to run in. I'll just fast forward that a little bit. So yeah, so then that has got 20 seconds on the top and then 15 seconds on the back of the event. So that's good. So now if I click on this one, we can see that this is just a clip without the pre and the post roll on it. So yeah, again, that is that's exactly what we want. So right now, so the next thing now is if we go over to our Liger demo account, have a look at tweets and replies, and you can see here, do you remember it was the one that I did? This is a test, August 23rd, 2020, auto publishing. That is our clip there, published out to Twitter.
That was a rhetorical question.
We'll just have a look at that. And there's that freeze that I hit, but you can see there that that is published out to Twitter as it should be. So all the time while the stream is happening live on YouTube. So that is how auto publishing works within Liger. It's something we're very proud of, and hope that you guys find it useful. If there is anything else that we can help with, please email us at support@liger.live, or you can go onto our help center on our website, and in the bottom right hand corner select the chat function, and someone will get back to you to help you as necessary. But thank you very much for watching.